second college week of my life. These videos are just so fun, and it's a good way to document my last year of school. So I'm just going to do them every week. So I think I have a new schedule for posting on YouTube. I think I want to post 3 times a week. I need to figure out what days I want to post. Saturdays will be the days I post my weekly vlogs. So yeah, I just need 2 other days for the other 2 videos. My friend is coming over. I'm gonna do her hair, so that's like the main thing I'm doing today. I also need to study for my midterms because I have 1 tomorrow and 1 on a Wednesday. So yeah, I think I'm gonna walk to the store because I need a bowl, a bigger bowl, because I want to make some pizza dough. So I was thinking about ordering Domino's, but I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna just make my own pizza, but I need a bowl to do that. So I'm gonna go to the store and get me a bowl. It's cold. It's real cold. I should have grabbed a bigger jacket. Okay. So I need a bowl. So I came back from the store and Zakia was already here. She was waiting for me. Got some bowls. They were like $5. Got some noodles, healthy, not really. And I got some push pins. Because you're not here anymore and I couldn't take your push pins. So I'm like, well, let me get some push pins. We about to wash this hair because yeah, I'm about to work my magic or whatever. I feel like I'm always holding up a bag. We got Qdoba. Wait, we got that IKEA drink, you know, favorite alcoholic beverage. Girl, why are you? Why is she using?
And we're not out here breaking nails.
Oh my god. You're crying. Oh my god. This is like my 3rd time watching Jayla's birth vlog, and I cry every time. So sad. You really. Oh my gosh.
I'm so happy for her.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
That was such an ugly cry.
Oh my god.
And I didn't even have a baby.
I'm almost done with the box braid. And just have this little section. He's still crying. I am done with the braids finally. Oh my gosh. Now it's time to do the crochet.
I'm stupid.
We are almost done. Oh my gosh, they look so good. These just look, yo, book me. Well, don't book me because I don't do hair. I didn't do this. I don't be doing hair like that, but when I do, yeah. Try to do this real quick. Okay. So we got the braid. Go through with the needle, hook it on, pull it through, take that out. Grab the braid, grab the lock, pull it through the loop, tighten it up, and then you just wrap the braid around. You know, it's real easy. They look so good. you know, she wanted box parts, but I was like, no, we ain't doing it. And you see how like natural? I need to just get myself together now. Because, you know, I look like this, so my friends can look like this. Yay. Is this what happens when you don't have a textbook, so you have to take pictures of your friends? Because I wasn't spending it. Nope. $95 on a textbook that doesn't relate to my major. Missed me. You missed me with that. I'm about to go to class. I'm about to put my shoes on. I was supposed to pull an all-nighter, but I went to sleep, so I didn't really study all the chapters. I mean, it's honestly common sense, so I feel like the midterm won't be that bad. Like, secure that 95. I look a mess right now, but I am registering for an event for next week because, you know, we love going to events, we love popping out, we love opportunities. Yes, so that's what I'm doing. On today's episode of Cooking with Tyra, Tyra's College Kitchen, we are making pizza. We have the yeast going. We got the flour right here. You know, we doing stuff. I feel super weird. Like, I don't want to say I'm getting sick, but I just feel weird. I really didn't do much today. I had my midterm and I also had my presentation. They both went well. My presentation went well. Not too sure about my midterm. She did say the grades will be posted this afternoon and it's like 7, so they might be posted. Let me check. Yo, I look crazy, but I found the midterm grades and I got an A. It's getting there. So it's Tuesday. I still feel weird, but my package came, so I'm about to open this up. Tote bags, because the 10 I have already obviously isn't enough. So this is the tote. Girls Don't Cry. Got it from Hype Fest. It's cute, you know, a little simple tote bag. I'm not showing my face yet because I look hit. So I didn't really do much today because I just feel my nose is like runny, my throat is a little like, yeah. Didn't go grocery shopping because I just don't feel up to it. I'll go tomorrow. Didn't even do my metaphysics stuff, but that isn't due until 11:59, so I have some time. My boyfriend ordered me a pizza, so I'm waiting for that to get here. Even though I just made pizza last night, I used all the dough because I made like 3 more pizzas today. So yeah, he ordered me a pizza. My pizza came. It look good. You know, I just got chicken bacon, the huge. Comment down below what y'all get on y'all pizzas, because I'm curious. I'm about to watch Netflix, so I should be on my work, but I'm watching some Netflix. So it's Wednesday. I'm about to go to Trader Joe's. My throat doesn't hurt anymore, but my nose is runny. Where's my reusable bags? My Lyft driver is gonna be here in like 3 minutes, and I don't have my life to go. Got my bag. It's okay. So I made it back. I'm exhausted. My nose feels so funny because some lady decided to drown herself in white diamonds perfume, and I spent $50 and I feel like I didn't get anything. Got some popcorn, some chips, some peppermint tea. I don't even know if I like peppermint tea, but I just got it. Some apples, some cheese crackers, 2 bottles of the best water. Health and safety are this week, and I just heard someone ring the doorbell next door. So I don't know if they're coming now. I don't want them to because my room is low-key a mess. Let me get together real quick. So they came. They didn't even come in my room because I had my door open, and they just saw like how nice it looked. So yeah, I mean, I still got stuff to do. I'm already talking about, oh, people in the building say we have a famous person in here, and I'm like, I ain't famous. I ain't. What they talking about? But to continue this little grocery haul, yeah, I didn't really get a lot. I already had this, don't mind that. But you know, some orange juice, some waffles, some carrots, hash brown, yogurt, some apples, some tea, hot dog buns, orange chicken, brown turkey, some pork buns, some spinach. Got these all natural hot dogs. I don't even like hot dogs like that. I don't know why I bought them, but yeah, that's everything that I got. I'm about to go to the other grocery store because there's some things that Trader Joe's didn't have. So mad loud. There's some stuff Trader Joe's didn't have, so I'm gonna go to the other grocery store and get some stuff. Still don't know what I'm eating tonight, even though I did just get that stuff from Trader Joe's. I'm putting my shoes on. When I get back, I'm going to eat, and then I'm gonna take my midterm because I have my business analytics midterm today. That's online. My outfit is really simple. I'm just wearing a hoodie, some jeans, and some Adidas. Oh snap. Let me zip that up. This is what I'm wearing today. Still needs to do my hair. I'll probably do that when I'm done with my midterm. But you know, got a Merlin hoodie on, PGC, a vintage Coach, jeans from Urban. Well, I thrifted them, but they're from Urban. And you know, some Adidas because you need these walking around New York so your feet won't die. What does this even mean? Like soul food seasoning? I'm on my second pork bun. I'm vlogging, that's why I said it again, even though you already know. I should have bought 5 packs of these.
That's what I'm saying. How much were they?
I want to say $3. I'm back after 2 days. I didn't vlog Thursday and Friday because I wasn't really doing anything. Just in bed, watching Netflix, blowing my nose. That's really it. Eating pork buns. Today is Saturday. I don't really have any plans, but I did just come from the grocery store, so I think I'm about to make some empanadas for lunch. So yeah, and then I'm gonna order the last few pieces for my Halloween costume. Comment what you think I'm gonna be for Halloween. If you follow me on Instagram, you know last year I was all 3 Powerpuff Girls, but this year I got some up my sleeve. Y'all not ready for it. And yeah, I'm hungry, so I'm about to make these empanadas. I just got a little package from Diva Curl. It's their super curly hair kit. I don't be getting sent hair products like that, so you know, it's cool. I never use their products, so I mean I use their leave-in decadence, but I guess I'll try this out. Maybe I'll give it away. I don't know. Another grocery haul. Got some peppers for my sofrito, some cotton candy grapes, brown sugar, powdered sugar, onions, tomato sauce. Okay, so I have everything chopped up. And now I'm just about to put it in my little NutriBullet. You know, I should probably cut these up smaller.